Welcome to Homework Lib.
If we know that line KJ is parallel to GH, and we know the length of JI is 1/4 of HJ, if I call this X, then this would be 1/4 X. Or we could be, instead of, if you don't want to deal with fractions, you could call this X and this 4X. Then it's still JI is 1/4 of HJ. If GH is 25 and KI is 13, what's the measure of HI? Well, something we would know would be that GK would be, since these are parallel, GK would be, or KI would be 1/4 of GK. So 13 times 4, this would have to be 52. And we could do something like, we want to find HI, which is the whole thing. 13 to the whole thing, 52 plus 13 is 65, would be equal to x to 5x. But we're not going to be able to find x. But we can find kj. This proportion is true that I've written, but it's not going to help. This is a tricky question. But like kj to 25, kj is a piece of the small triangle, so 13 is the piece of the small triangle, GH is the whole part of the larger triangle, and 65 is part of the whole triangle. That's GI. So cross multiply the 25. 25 times 13 divided by 65 is 5. So see if that helps us here. This would have to be 5. And so now we could do I'm doing more work than I need to for you, but it's okay because this is a right triangle and we can use the Pythagorean theorem. You will need to know the hypotenuse is 65 and we've got a leg here of 25. So the hypotenuse squared is equal to 25 squared plus HI squared, because HI is a full leg of the triangle. Okay, so 65 squared minus 25 squared is 3,600 that we'd want to take the square root of, and that would be 60. Choice C. We got there.